Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out a dash cam from GKU. This is the D700. Seller sent me this to check out, so let's see what we got. This is a 4K plus 1080p dash cam, and 4K in the front, 1080p for your rear cam. There's your user manual, support card here. You have two electrostatic stickers. Here's the camera right here. This is your front dash cam. Here is your rear camera right here, and your car socket to power the camera. You do have a trim tool here. You have some cable clips and some extra adhesives. You also have the bracket on here, and this bracket slides off as you could see. It also comes with a micro SD card. This is a 64 gig. What's cool about this particular camera is that this screen is actually a touch screen. So in order to control things, normally you would have to go to your app. This has an actual touch screen. So we're going to go ahead and install this camera and see how it performs. All right, I have the camera installed in my vehicle, and again, an easy install, no major issues, and I am ready to go. I have this shade up here so we can see the screen, because the screen on this camera is amazing because of the fact that it's touchscreen. And you don't, even though the app is pretty good, you don't have to go to the app to make any changes to this camera. So you can go in the settings right here, and you're able to change your settings. Go back and start recording. You can lock it from the screen. You can mute, and you can go to your rear camera. Very huge plus on the touchscreen. Never had a touchscreen before, and that will be very useful in my journeys using this dash cam.